Tammy Sladen of 1000 LB Sisters has had to overcome a lot of hurdles in her life, including a struggle with addiction. The last season showed Tammy at one of her lowest points, as she fought for her life after her lung collapsed. Viewers are hoping the near-death experience has taught the star a valuable lesson about life. There is no doubt that 1000 LB Sisters Season 4's Tammy has been an extremely polarizing character on the show, largely thanks to her meltdowns. The Kentucky native has often been overlooked as a success story due to her ability to self-sabotage. Fans watched for the first 3 seasons of the show as Tammy failed to qualify for her gastric bypass surgery, leaving her extremely depressed. However, Season 4 is setting Tammy up for success, as she may finally have gotten out of her own way and started to achieve her goals. Tammy speaks to her therapist in the most recent episode. 1000 LB Sisters viewers saw Tammy in the midst of a breakthrough while talking to her therapist. As fans know, Tammy has had to undergo extensive therapy to even qualify for her gastric bypass. While speaking to her doctor, Tammy revealed that she became super depressed and started partying and drinking way too much. While the therapist shared that almost anything could become an addiction, she did ask Tammy what she got from food. Tammy struggles to pinpoint her issues while speaking out during a confessional. Tammy revealed that it was hard to open up and admit that food did nothing for her. As the 1000 LB Sisters star started to cry, she shared that she didn't want to go through that all again. Even though Tammy is making strides when it comes to her physical health, she refused to address her mental health in any major capacity. Viewers of 1000 LB Sisters know that Tammy has come a long way since being released from the hospital. After surviving what many thought was a life-ending emergency, Tammy was brought back to the Ohio Rehab Center to be watched over by doctors. It was there that she started taking her eating and exercising habits more seriously and lost weight. She was so successful that she had her tract removed, and even fell in love. Tammy has stated that she will not let her own body get the best of her, and fans are hoping she can address her addiction to food to win the battle once and for all. Source: Tammy Sladen, Instagram. Tammy Sladen, Instagram.
My heart returns to